Tester, evaluator, and grandpop, welcome you to a WiseHooterLearning video. We're going to have so much fun learning together. So, let's get started.
Greetings, fellow space cadets. G'day, space enthusiasts. Welcome to our cosmic adventure through our very own solar system. Get ready to explore the wonders of our stellar neighborhood, where each planet is a unique world waiting to be discovered. Why did Grand Pop make this wonderful space video about our solar system? He made it to answer some of Tester and Evaluator's questions about this beautiful chunk of space that we call home. He hopes that they learn something and that you do too. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, we'll journey millions of kilometers across the solar system, uncovering fascinating facts and intriguing mysteries. Ever wondered why Venus is hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun? Or how Saturn got its stunning rings? We've got you covered. So, whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a curious mind just starting your cosmic exploration, join me as we delve into the wonders of our celestial backyard. Get ready for an awe-inspiring journey through the solar system. It's going to be a blast. Our solar system, located in the Milky Way galaxy, is like a cosmic family with the Sun as its heart. This gigantic swirling ball of hot gas is the powerhouse of our solar system, holding everything together with its immense gravity. Around it dance 8 diverse planets, each with its own unique story to tell. We'll begin our journey close to the Sun, where temperatures soar, and then venture out to the colder, darker reaches of the solar system. Along the way, we'll encounter rocky planets, gas giants, icy dwarfs, and countless other celestial objects, each more fascinating than the last. Did you know that our solar system is about 4.6 billion years old? That is, of course, older than the oldest fossils found on Earth. The oldest known fossils are around 3.7 billion years old and are the remains of ancient bacteria colonies called stromatolites. As we explore each planet, we'll uncover clues about its formation and evolution, piecing together the story of our solar system's birth and development. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of each planet, from their composition and size to their unique features and intriguing myths. Ever imagined standing on a planet with a year that lasts just 88 Earth days? We'll visit Mercury, the speedster of our solar system. Or perhaps you've wondered about the possibility of life on other planets. We'll delve into the mysteries of Mars, the red planet that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. We'll also explore the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These colossal planets are like miniature solar systems themselves, with swirling storms, countless moons, and rings that would put any jeweler to shame. Our journey will take us beyond the planets too. We'll venture into the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter littered with remnants from the early solar system, and we'll delve into the mysterious Kuiper Belt, a distant realm of icy bodies, including Pluto, the once and future king of the dwarfs. So, buckle up, space cadets, and get ready to explore the wonders of our solar system. From the scorching surface of Venus to the icy rings of Saturn, we'll uncover the secrets of our celestial neighborhood and gain a deeper appreciation for the vastness and diversity of our universe. This is more than just a journey through space. It's a journey through time, a quest to understand our place in the cosmos and the forces that shaped our world. So let's embark on this cosmic adventure together. Good day again, space explorers! Our first stop is Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet. This tiny world is a fascinating blend of extremes. Mercury's year is 88 Earth days long, making 2 Mercury years equal to 3 of Mercury's days. This is because Mercury is the fastest planet in our solar system and has the shortest orbital path. Blistering heat meets chilling cold because its day lasts longer than its year. 1 Mercury solar day, 1 full day-night cycle, equals 176 Earth days, which is just over 2 years on Mercury. Mercury zips around the Sun at 47 kilometers per second, or 29.244 miles per second. In contrast, the Earth is a slow poke which orbits the Sun at an average speed of 67,000 miles per hour, or 18.5 miles a second, which is 107,826 kilometers per hour and about 30 kilometers per second. Named after the swift-footed messenger god, Mercury. Photos credit RochesterSubway.com. It completes one orbit in 88 Earth days. Now it's time for a shout-out. This time, tester, evaluator, and grand pop at WiseHooterLearning want to send a shout-out to our friends in these amazing cities: Bengaluru, Karnataka, India; Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India; Hyderabad, Telangana, India; Patna, Bihar, India; Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India; Dhaka, Bangladesh; Portland, Oregon; and of course San Francisco, California, USA. Now let's dive deeper into this intriguing planet. Mercury's surface is a desolate landscape scarred by countless craters, ancient volcanic plains, and towering cliffs. Beneath its pockmarked exterior, Mercury harbors a massive iron core, making up 85% of its radius. This colossal core generates a weak magnetic field, about 1% the strength of Earth's. Imagine standing on Mercury's surface, gazing at the Sun, which appears 3 times larger than from Earth. Due to Mercury's eccentric orbit and slow rotation, the Sun appears to move backward in the sky. The Romans named Mercury after their messenger god. Just like the deity, Mercury races across the heavens. Mercury's rapid journey around the Sun reminded the ancients of their nimble-footed god. The Babylonians also associated Mercury with a messenger god, Nabu. These myths remind us of our timeless fascination with the cosmos. Next on our planetary road trip is Venus, Earth's closest planetary neighbour. You might call Venus Earth's twin gone rogue. Similar in size to Earth, Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect and scorching temperatures, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is significantly hotter than Mercury. Despite Mercury being closer to the Sun, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, while Mercury has almost no atmosphere, resulting in a much larger temperature difference between day and night on Mercury. Mercury average temperature, 333 degrees Fahrenheit or 167 degrees Celsius. Venus average temperature, 867 degrees Fahrenheit or 464 degrees Celsius. Glimmering like a celestial diamond, Venus has captivated stargazers for centuries. It's the brightest object in our night sky after the Sun and the Moon. This brilliance is due to its incredibly reflective atmosphere. But don't let this beauty fool you. Beneath Venus's swirling veil of clouds lies a truly hellish environment. The thick atmosphere traps heat, resulting in surface temperatures of 462 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than a pizza oven on high. And the atmospheric pressure is 90 times that of Earth's. Imagine trying to walk around with the weight of a small car on your shoulders. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus holds a special place in our exploration efforts. Numerous missions were sent to unveil its secrets, piercing through the dense clouds. Venus's surface is dominated by volcanic activity. Vast plains of solidified lava, towering shield volcanoes, and enormous impact craters paint a picture of a planet constantly reshaped. One of the most striking features is its retrograde rotation. On Venus, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Venus rotates clockwise on its axis, which is opposite to most other planets in our solar system. Venus rotates much more slowly than Earth does, so a day on Venus is much longer than a day on Earth. A day on Venus lasts for 243 Earth days, or 5,832 hours. A day on Earth is 23.943 hours. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Venus, prominent in the night sky, features in myths and legends worldwide. The Romans named the planet after their goddess of love and beauty, Venus. Venus, the goddess, embodied love, desire, and fertility. Her beauty and allure are mirrored in the planet's dazzling appearance. But Venus wasn't always linked to love and beauty. In Babylonian astronomy, Venus was Ishtar, a goddess of love and war. This duality reflects Venus's stunning beauty and harshness. Shifting gears from the scorching heat of Venus, we arrive at our home, sweet home, Earth, a vibrant oasis teeming with life. From a distance, Earth appears as a pale blue dot, a fragile sphere of swirling clouds, vast oceans, and continents. This breathtaking view underscores the preciousness of our planet and the importance of protecting our only home. Unlike its celestial siblings, Earth is uniquely suited for life as we know it. Our atmosphere, a delicate balance of gases, acts like a cozy blanket, regulating temperature and shielding us from harmful radiation. And let's not forget our oceans, covering over 70% of Earth's surface, playing a vital role in regulating our climate. Now, let's turn our attention to Earth's faithful companion, the Moon. This celestial dance partner, tidally locked in Earth's gravitational embrace, has captivated humanity for millennia. Gazing up at its cratered surface, we see a history etched in stone. The Moon, our nearest celestial neighbour, is a world of stark beauty. Its surface, a tapestry of light and shadow, is a testament to a violent past. Earth and the Moon feature prominently in myths and legends worldwide. Our ancestors looked to the heavens, weaving stories to explain the natural world. In Greek mythology, Gaia, the mother goddess, personified the fertile Earth. She represented life and nature's power. The Moon's phases and glow inspired countless myths. Greeks had lunar deities like Selene and Artemis. In Native American cultures, the Moon is seen as a wise grandmother. Section 4. A Cosmic Partnership. Earth, Moon, and Life. These myths and legends, passed down through generations, reflect our enduring fascination with Earth and the Moon. They remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, connected to the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. The Earth-Moon system is a dynamic duo, a cosmic partnership that has shaped the course of life on our planet. The Moon's gravitational pull stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, preventing drastic climate swings that could have made life impossible. And let's not forget those tides, which create a constantly changing environment along coastlines, driving evolution and fostering biodiversity. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, the Earth-Moon system serves as a benchmark, a point of comparison as we search for other habitable worlds. And while we may find planets that resemble Earth in size, composition, or distance from their star, it's important to remember that the Earth-Moon relationship is unique, a cosmic dance that has played out over billions of years, shaping our planet and paving the way for life as we know it. Section 1. Mars. The red planet beckons. Well, space travelers, after visiting our home planet, we're off to our next destination, Mars. This rusty-hued world has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Unlike Earth, a vibrant blue and green oasis, Mars greets us with a rusty red palette. This distinctive hue comes from iron oxide, or rust, prevalent in the Martian soil and rocks. Mars is often called Earth's smaller, colder sibling. While it's only about half the size of Earth and much colder, it shares some striking similarities with our planet. Exploring the Martian surface. Imagine stepping out onto the surface of Mars. The rusty red dust covers everything. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet, turning the sky a hazy pink. the Martian landscape is breathtakingly beautiful. Towering volcanoes rise from the dusty plains, while vast canyons scar the planet's surface. Evidence shows liquid water once flowed freely across Mars. Today, most of Mars's water is locked away as ice. Myths and legends. The god of war and dreams of conquest. Given its blood-red appearance, it's no surprise that ancient civilizations associated Mars with warfare and bloodshed. The Romans named the planet after their god of war, Mars, believing its reddish hue represented battlefield blood. Mars, the Roman god, was a powerful deity, often depicted in full battle armor. But Mars's influence extends beyond Roman mythology. Despite its warlike associations, Mars inspires dreams of exploration and colonization. Searching for life, a Martian mystery. Mars stands as a tantalizing target in our search for life beyond Earth. While the harsh conditions make it unlikely we'll find little green men, scientists believe microbial life could exist beneath the surface. The search for Martian life drives much of our current exploration efforts. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are analyzing rocks and soil. The dream of sending humans to Mars is no longer a far-fetched fantasy. Space agencies are developing technologies and planning missions. One day, humans will walk among the ancient volcanoes and canyons. Jupiter, the king of planets. Meet the reigning monarch of our solar system, Jupiter. This gas giant is so large you could fit all the other planets inside it. Jupiter is over 300 times the mass of Earth. Jupiter and the Sun orbit a common center of gravity. Its powerful magnetic field creates dazzling auroras. Jupiter spins faster than any other planet, completing one rotation in just under 10 hours. Unveiling. Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is a chaotic maelstrom of swirling clouds and raging storms. Imagine a world where the weather forecast is always extremely violent. That's Jupiter. Those colourful bands and swirls are massive storm systems. The Great Red Spot is a giant anticyclone that's been swirling for at least 400 years. Jupiter's atmosphere is a complex cocktail of gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. Section 3. Jupiter's moons, a celestial entourage. Jupiter isn't just a planetary heavyweight, it's also a celestial socialite, boasting a retinue of over 95 known moons. Jupiter has 95 moons that have been officially recognized by the International Astronomical Union. But the number doesn't capture the complexity of the Jovian system of moons, rings, and asteroids. The giant planet has thousands of small objects in its orbit. This diverse collection of moons ranges in size from tiny, asteroid-sized objects to Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, a world larger than the planet Mercury. One of Jupiter's most intriguing moons is Europa, an icy world with a subsurface ocean that scientists believe could potentially harbour life. Imagine a moon with more water than all the oceans on Earth combined, hidden beneath a shell of ice. That's Europa. Io, another of Jupiter's fascinating moons, is a volcanic world covered in erupting volcanoes and lakes of molten lava. This intense volcanic activity is caused by the gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and its other large moons, which constantly stretches and squeezes Io, generating immense heat in its interior. Callisto, the third largest moon in our solar system, is a heavily cratered world, its surface a testament to billions of years of impacts from asteroids and comets. It's like a cosmic shooting gallery frozen in time. The ruler of the gods. Jupiter's size and brilliance made it central in mythology and astronomy worldwide. The Romans named it after their king of the gods, Jupiter. Jupiter, the god, ruled the sky and wielded thunder and lightning. He was depicted with a thunderbolt and an eagle, symbols of power and majesty. In Greek mythology, Jupiter was known as Zeus, the ruler of the gods. Like Jupiter, Zeus was associated with the sky, thunder, and lightning. Prepare to be dazzled, cosmic explorers, as we approach the crown jewel of our solar system, Saturn, the ringed wonder. This gas giant, adorned with a breathtaking system of rings, is a celestial masterpiece. Saturn's rings are the true treasures of our solar system. These shimmering bands, composed of countless icy particles, create a mesmerizing spectacle. According to new research by NASA and its partners, Saturn's rings could have evolved from the debris of two icy moons that collided and shattered a few 100 million years ago. Debris that didn't end up in the rings could also have contributed to the formation of some of Saturn's present-day moons. Imagine yourself gazing up at Saturn from one of its many moons. The rings would stretch across the sky like a giant celestial archway. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. Beneath its clouds and rings lies a core of metals like iron and nickel, surrounded by rocky material and other compounds solidified by intense pressure and heat. It is enveloped by liquid metallic hydrogen inside a layer of liquid hydrogen, similar to Jupiter's core, but considerably smaller. It's hard to imagine, but Saturn is the only planet in our solar system with an average density that is less than water. The giant gas planet could float in a bathtub if such a colossal thing existed. Imagine diving beneath Saturn's cloud tops. The pressure and temperature increase dramatically, squeezing hydrogen into a liquid-like state. Eventually, you'd reach the icy core, generating Saturn's magnetic field. One of Saturn's most striking features is its hexagonal storm at the North Pole. Given its prominence in the night sky and its breathtaking beauty, Saturn has captivated humanity's imagination for millennia. The ancient Romans named the planet after their god of agriculture and time, Saturn. Saturn was depicted with a sickle and an hourglass, symbolizing harvest and time. In Greek mythology, Saturn was known as Cronus, a powerful titan who ruled a golden age. Cronus was overthrown by his son Zeus, highlighting the cyclical nature of power. Saturn's celestial family is as diverse and intriguing as the planet itself. As of June 8, 2023, Saturn has 146 moons, more than any other planet in our solar system. Saturn boasts a collection of worlds that rivals Jupiter's in terms of sheer variety and wonder. Titan, with its dense atmosphere and methane lakes, is larger than both Mercury and Pluto. Titan has a thick atmosphere that's mostly nitrogen. Enceladus, spewing geysers of water vapor, is a small moon with a global ocean under a thick, icy shell. One side of Enceladus is covered in very dark material, while the other side is very bright. Saturn's moons are a treasure trove of scientific discoveries. Imagine exploring Titan's surface or witnessing Enceladus's geysers, hinting at a vast ocean beneath its icy shell. Other moons of Saturn include Tethys, Telesto, and Mimas. Mimas is an icy moon with a large crater that's 1/4 the diameter of the moon. Saturn's moons range in size from larger than Mercury to as small as a sports arena. Some moons are captured objects that formed elsewhere and fell into orbit around Saturn. Irregular moons are captured moons that have large, elliptical, and inclined orbits. They tend to group together based on their orbital tilt, with groups named after Inuit, Gallic, and Norse mythologies. Saturn's rings, moons, and dynamic atmosphere make it one of the most captivating objects in our solar system. Buckle up, space fans, because we're about to visit Uranus, the planet that's truly out of this world, literally. This ice giant is tilted on its side, rotating at a nearly 90-degree angle compared to the other planets in our solar system. This unusual tilt, likely from a cataclysmic collision, makes Uranus look like a spinning top. Uranus is so far from the Sun that it takes 84 Earth years to complete one orbit. The planet also rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Talk about a confusing way to start your day. Uranus may not have the dazzling rings of Saturn or the massive storms of Jupiter, but it's still a fascinating world with its own unique characteristics. This ice giant is shrouded in a thick atmosphere composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, with trace amounts of methane giving it a striking pale blue color. Beneath Uranus's serene blue veil lies a turbulent world of icy clouds and powerful winds, reaching speeds of up to 900 kilometers per hour, or 560 miles per hour. Due to its extreme tilt, Uranus experiences seasons that last for decades. Imagine a winter that lasts for 21 Earth years. You definitely need a good pair of mittens. Myths and legends. The primordial sky god. The ancient Greeks recognized Uranus as the primordial sky god, the embodiment of the heavens. Uranus, in Greek mythology, was the son and husband of Gaia, the earth goddess, and together they gave birth to the Titans. Uranus, fearing their power, imprisoned his Titan children, only to be overthrown by his son, Cronus. The story of Uranus and Cronus highlights themes of power, rebellion, and the cyclical nature of time. A distant world with hidden depths. Uranus's rings and moons. Uranus, like Saturn, boasts a system of rings, though they are much fainter and less extensive. These dark, narrow rings are thought to be relatively young, perhaps remnants of a shattered moon. Uranus has over 28 known satellites, each with its own unique story. Some moons, like Miranda, are heavily cratered and fractured, evidence of a violent past. Neptune, the ruler of the deep. This icy giant, shrouded in a veil of azure blue, is a world of extremes, home to supersonic winds, hidden storms, and captivating moons. Neptune's deep blue color comes from the methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light back into space. Neptune is so far from the Sun that it takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit, and receives only 1/900th of Earth's solar energy. Despite its chilly temperatures, Neptune is a world teeming with energy, as evidenced by its wild and unpredictable atmosphere. Neptune's winds can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour, or 2,000 kilometers per hour, making it the windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune's winds are 3 times stronger than Jupiter's and 9 times stronger than Earth's. Neptune's winds are so strong because of a combination of internal heat, rotation, and there are no mountains, valleys, or continental boundaries to slow them down. These supersonic winds, combined with Neptune's rapid rotation, create a dynamic and turbulent atmosphere. One of the most striking features was the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm system similar in size to Earth. It was first spotted by NASA's Voyager 2 in 1989, before disappearing a few years later. Yes, Neptune's Great Dark Spot is considered to be gone, as it disappeared when observed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1994. Given its deep blue color and association with the vastness of space, it's no surprise that Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune, the Roman god, was often depicted as a majestic figure, wielding a trident and riding in a chariot pulled by seahorses. In Greek mythology, Neptune was known as Poseidon, the god of the sea, earthquakes, and horses. The association of Neptune with the sea reflects our fascination with this distant planet. Just as the ancient Romans and Greeks looked to the sea with awe, we gaze upon Neptune with wonder and respect. Neptune's celestial entourage includes over 16 known moons, each with its own story to tell. From Triton, with its retrograde orbit and nitrogen geysers, to Nereid, With its highly eccentric orbit, Neptune's moons offer a glimpse into the diversity of the outer solar system. Imagine exploring Triton's surface, where nitrogen geysers erupt from the icy surface, or witnessing Nereid's wild ride around Neptune, its orbit swinging closer to the planet before hurtling back out into space. Neptune's moons are still shrouded in mystery, their secrets waiting to be unlocked by future missions. Hold on to your helmets, space travelers, because we're venturing into the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter jam-packed with asteroids. While there are millions of asteroids in the asteroid belt, they're actually quite spread out. Asteroids are essentially leftover building blocks from the early solar system, rocky remnants that never quite managed to form a planet. These space rocks come in all shapes and sizes, from small, pebble-sized objects to dwarf planets like Ceres. Here are the largest asteroids in the asteroid belt, from largest to smallest. Ceres is the largest asteroid, with a diameter of 939.4 kilometers or 584 miles across. Ceres is the only asteroid in the belt that is large enough to be round and to be considered a dwarf planet. Vesta is the second largest asteroid, with a diameter of 525.4 kilometers or 326 miles across. Pallas is the third largest asteroid, with a diameter of 511 kilometers or 318 miles across. Hygeia is the fourth largest asteroid, with a diameter of 433 kilometers or 269 miles across. Asteroid belt. Facts. Interesting facts about the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt contains millions of asteroids, ranging in size from a few meters to over 1 kilometer in diameter. The density of asteroids in the asteroid belt is much higher than in the inner solar system. The smallest asteroid officially recognized by NASA is 2015 TC25, which is 6 feet or 2 meters across. However, some definitions require asteroids to be at least 3 feet or 1 meter across. Hold on to your telescopes, cosmic explorers, because we're venturing even farther out into the solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune, into the mysterious realm of the Kuiper Belt. This distant region, a frigid expanse of icy bodies and dwarf planets, is like a celestial deep freeze, preserving remnants from the earliest days of our solar system. The Kuiper Belt is home to a diverse collection of icy bodies, including comets, dwarf planets, and trillions of smaller objects. These icy wanderers hold clues to the formation and evolution of our solar system. Perhaps the most famous resident of the Kuiper Belt is Pluto, a celestial underdog with a heart-shaped nitrogen glacier and 5 moons. Myths and legends. Echoes of creation and destruction. The asteroid belt and the Kuiper Belt, though scientifically fascinating, also hold a certain mythical allure. In many cultures, asteroids and comets have been seen as both omens of good and bad fortune. The sudden appearance of a comet has been interpreted as a sign of impending doom or a harbinger of war. But asteroids and comets have also been seen as symbols of creation, representing the raw materials from which our solar system was formed. Unveiling the secrets of our solar system's leftovers. The asteroid belt and the Kuiper Belt are essential pieces of the solar system puzzle. They offer a glimpse into the chaotic and dynamic processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood billions of years ago. As our understanding of these distant regions grows, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of our solar system. The asteroid belt and the Kuiper Belt are now recognized as treasure troves of scientific discovery, waiting to be explored and understood. Cosmic Reflections. A Journey's End. Well, space adventurers, we've reached the end of our grand tour of the solar system. We've journeyed from the scorching plains of Mercury to the icy depths of the Kuiper Belt, encountering fiery volcanoes, swirling storms, and celestial objects that defy our wildest imaginations. As we reflect on our journey, it's amazing to think about the sheer scale and diversity of our cosmic neighborhood. But perhaps the most important lesson we've learned is the fragility of our own planet. We've gained a new appreciation for the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. Keep looking up. The adventure continues. Our journey doesn't end here. There are countless mysteries to unravel, planets to explore, and celestial objects yet to be discovered. The universe is vast and ever-changing. There's always something new to learn. So keep looking up at the night sky, space cadets. Let your curiosity guide you, your imagination soar, and never stop asking questions about the universe around us. Who knows what wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? Perhaps one day, you'll be the one leading the next grand tour of the solar system. Remember, the universe is your oyster, and the only limit is your imagination. This might be the end of our journey through the solar system, but it's just the beginning of our lifelong adventure in exploring the universe. Who knows what wonders await us out there, just beyond the reach of our current understanding. The cosmos is calling, and it's up to us to answer. So, until next time, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe around us. And remember, as Douglas Adams once said, space is big. You just won't believe how vastly, hugely, mind-bogglingly big it is. I mean, you may think it's a long way down the road to the chemists, but that's just peanuts to space. And with that, I bid you farewell, fellow space explorers. Until our paths cross again among the stars, keep those telescopes polished and those imaginations firing.
Tester, Evaluator, and Grandpop from WiseHooterLearning, thank you for watching our video. We hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to laugh, learn, and take in the beauty around you, and of course subscribe to our channel. It's free to subscribe and helps us to continue to make videos for you.